In this video, we're going to be checking out the Art Aquarium, which is located in the Ginza district in Tokyo. Located south of the Imperial Palace, Ginza has a really rich history, but it's more known these days as an upscale shopping district, and it's known for its luxury brands, stylish architecture and fine dining, which probably makes it a suitable location for the Art Aquarium, which is a really unique museum that blends aquatic life with lights and art. It's located in the Ginza Mitsukoshi department store, which is only about a 4-minute walk from Ginza train station too. To get your tickets, you can use booking websites like Klook, but you can also book directly from their website, which I'll link in the video description. You can check the website too for any special events that are going on, and it also gives you information on the different types of fish that are in the aquarium. From the main page, click the Buy Tickets button, and adult tickets are 2,500 yen each. You'll also then select your date and time slot and party size, and then you can check out. You can actually buy tickets on the day at the entrance of the museum, but I'd always just recommend to pre-book to avoid disappointment. So we've got our tickets, let's head in. And to hopefully try and prevent you from getting lost like we did, even though the signs show the Art Aquarium on the 8th floor, you need to head up to the 9th floor via the express elevator, and then take the escalator down to the 8th floor, where the entrance is. It took us a long time to figure that out. And that's our look at the Art Aquarium in Ginza. I'd love to know what you thought of it down in the comments below. This is our last day in Japan, and we're gutted to be going home. Please check out our channel for our other videos. We've been travelling from Fukuoka and Kyushu through Hiroshima, Miyajima Island, Himeji, Osaka, Kyoto, Nagoya, some amazing views of Mount Fuji at Lake Kawaguchi, and then finally Tokyo. So if you're going to be visiting any of those places, check out my videos because they might help you planning your trip. And we're going to be back in Japan in December, so hopefully early next year we'll have some more videos. But stay subscribed to my channel to check out our other trips around Europe too.